we will see how to make a recycled paper at home. Let's see how to make a recycled paper at home. I have taken pieces of newspaper in a bowl and water. Now we should pour this water into the bowl and soak it overnight. So it has been soaked overnight. Now I am going to blend it in the mixer. See the paste now. This is how it looks. I have taken a sieve because I don't have a square type mesh, so I will get the paper in the shape of a circle. Now take a handful of the paste and spread it over the sieve. Now slowly press it to drain the excess water. I have pressed and drained the excess water and now I have transferred it to a paper. Let's allow it to dry. Now it's half dried. Now place a paper on it and press it with the iron. And leave it to dry. It's completely dried now and our paper is ready. I am going to do a wall hanger with it. So I am going to show the corners in the flame. After showing in the flame, you get the frame like this. Now, you can stick a picture of your choice. Now our wall hanger is ready. You can punch a hole here and hang it using a thread. I have shown the corners in the flame to get a vintage effect. All of you please try it. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.